In the summertime here in Florida, the humidity and the heat is torrential, so we have degrees that's always around 100 degrees, which slows down work here in the shop. Since we've had the fans installed into the shop, the temperature's dropped at least 10 degrees. We have a safer environment, actually. The heat's not so unbearable in here. It's made a big difference for the shop. We're real happy with it. The technicians love it because the fan's always moving air. It's a good quality product. It's moving, it's doing its job. The technicians are in a better work atmosphere because of it.
The airflow is just, it's amazing. I used to be soaking wet by this time of day, and I'm dry today, so.
The workers have said that with the new fans in here, they don't have the trip hazards of extension cords and other fans on the ground. Adjustment of the fans is super easy. It's all digital, just push what you want, real simple, 30 seconds, you're done. The installation process, top notch. They ask our opinions, got input from us, they had no issues at all, in, out, done. They came in, did what they needed to do, and were gone. Professional company. The high volume, low speed fans, in my opinion, is the size of the fan. It doesn't have to turn dramatically fast to move a high volume of air, and that's what we have here. We can reduce or increase the air volume at a touch of the button.